Yeah, folks! Today's roundup features some of the most insane tech accessories and jaw-dropping gear that'll instantly boost your cool factor. Buckle up, we're jumping straight into the action! Experience the epitome of outdoor companionship with the HENGDUAN Evo REPEL, ensuring both protection and convenience at its finest. This 3-in-1 outdoor mosquito repeller lantern is designed to keep pesky mosquitoes at bay, ensuring worry-free camping, BBQs, fishing, and more. Its versatile design includes a built-in 14,400 mAh battery that doubles as a power bank, providing a reliable source of charge for your devices. With quick heating technology and adjustable lighting modes, it offers effective mosquito repellent and bright illumination. Crafted with premium materials, waterproof, and featuring a magnetic bottom and versatile handle, the Evo REPEL is your ideal partner for all your outdoor adventures. Are you looking for the ultimate companion to elevate your everyday adventures? Look no further than the HYPERSHELL exoskeleton. This revolutionary exoskeleton boasts a powerful 1-horsepower M1 bionic motor that effortlessly offsets up to 30 kilograms of weight, making hiking, running, and mountaineering a breeze. Its full alloy frame and weatherproof design ensure exceptional durability while remaining ultralight at just 1.8 kilograms. With hyper mode for extra horsepower, 14 high-precision sensors, and a 25-kilometer range, the HYPERSHELL responds to your intentions instantly and takes you further than ever before. Seeking a cutting tool that brilliantly fuses innovation and practicality? Your search ends with the TRINITY magnetic quick-release knife. This cutting-edge design, crafted from titanium, redefines the way we approach cutting tasks. Its double magnetic ring closing system ensures secure storage, and the inclusion of replaceable stainless steel SK5 blades adds to its versatility. The handle's ergonomic cutouts provide maximum comfort, while its waterproof and corrosion-resistant features make it a reliable companion for any adventure. Embrace a new era of cutting tools with the TRINITY knife and elevate your efficiency and convenience to unparalleled heights. The VULKIT pop-up wallet is a stylish and secure way to carry your essentials. It offers both flair and functionality. Embracing a detective camouflage black design, this wallet boldly sets itself apart while efficiently organizing your cards and cash. Constructed from robust aviation aluminum, it boasts a specially designed slider mechanism that can securely hold up to 5 cards, ensuring swift access whenever needed. The interior elastic compartments expand the card holding capacity, ensuring a snug fit. The added RFID and NFC blocking technology ensures your privacy by preventing unauthorized wireless communication. Sleek, slim, secure, the VULKIT pop-up wallet is a required accessory for everyday convenience. The Lever Gear Edge XT is a multi-tool that redefines your everyday carry. This game-changing tool combines a retractable utility blade with 10 essential functions, revolutionizing your everyday work. Its compact, lightweight design ensures effortless portability on keychains or in your pocket, ensuring you're always ready. Boasting one-handed operation, a safety lock switch, and a quick release feature, this tool ensures both efficiency and security. Crafted from durable metal with a sleek satin finish, the Edge XT marries functionality with durability, earning high praise from EDC enthusiasts for its style and effectiveness. The Scrub Daddy BBQ Daddy Grill Brush is an effective solution to tackle stubborn grill grime. This powerful tool boasts flexible stainless steel fibers that effortlessly cut through tough residue, eliminating the need for potentially harmful wire bristles. Harnessing its inventive water-activated concept and featuring Scrub Daddy's exclusive Flex Texture Foam core, this brush employs steam to dissolve extensive months of cooking residue. It even features a uniquely shaped built-in scraper for reaching between grill grates with ease. Cleaning up is a breeze, as the scouring head removes easily for washing, ensuring long-lasting performance beyond a single grilling season. If you seek distinctive and utilitarian jewelry influenced by Norse mythology, your quest ends with the MJOLNIR TI jewelry collection. Forged from grade 5 titanium alloy, these pendants exhibit not only stylishness but also resilience and eco-friendliness. The Thor pendant cleverly hides a fire starter inside, while the bulky pendant conceals a hidden blade for emergency situations. With patent-pending mechanisms, these tools are securely kept in place, making them perfect companions for hiking, camping, water activities, and unforeseen emergencies. Combining aesthetics and practicality, MJOLNIR TI jewelry is a must-have for those seeking both style and preparedness in their accessories. In pursuit of a revolutionary knife sharpening solution, your quest concludes with the HORL knife sharpener, a meticulously engineered marvel hailing from Germany. Its innovative design boasts interchangeable grinding discs and a magnetic angle support, ensuring a tailored sharpening experience with unparalleled ease. This versatile tool handles knives of various hardness levels thanks to its industrial diamond abrasives. Whether you are tackling robust kitchen tasks or delicate cutting work like sushi, the HORL knife sharpener delivers. With adjustable grinding angles of 20 degrees and extra fine 15 degrees, achieve razor-sharp edges that last, making it a must-have for both culinary enthusiasts and professionals. Are you seeking the ideal protective case for your Apple AirTag? Look no further than the VULKIT AirTag protective case. Meticulously designed with precision, this premium soft PU leather case offers a snug fit for your AirTag, delivering elegant protection that goes beyond ordinary plastic holders. Its dual-sided open design ensures a strong signal, while the integrated keychain adds functionality, enabling attachment to keys, luggage, and more. With its range of colors, durable construction, and metallic keychain, this case provides both style and reliability, ensuring your AirTag stays safe and secure. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional, the HOTO Precision Screwdriver Kit Pro is designed to meet all your maintenance needs. Sporting an extensive range of S2 steel drill bits, this versatile tool adeptly manages a spectrum of tasks ranging from gadget repairs to delicate watch adjustments. Unfolding into a comprehensive workstation, its slim 2.6cm design ensures portability for on-the-go repairs. Boasting 48 premium accessories, including multifunction spudgers and a magnetizer or demagnetizer, this kit is a meticulously crafted solution for all your repair challenges. Tailored to your requirements, this kit serves as the ultimate precision screwdriver solution. Introducing the METAEDC Musketeer Fidget Slider Toy, a premium fidget toy that combines style and stress relief. Carefully designed as this precision, this slider offers a unique blend of materials like titanium plus SS or zirconium plus brass for both durability and an appealing look. With its compact size and satisfying weight, it's perfect for on-the-go fidgeting. The option for tritium tubes whole, tritium tubes not included, adds an extra element of excitement. Handcrafted with top-quality materials, including stainless steel, brass, zirconium, and titanium, the Musketeer Fidget Slider is the ultimate choice for keeping stress at bay and maintaining focus throughout that day. The BRUMATE BACKTAP is the ultimate backpack cooler to elevate your outdoor gatherings. Revolutionizing the way you enjoy your favorite beverage, this ingenious cooler can accommodate an impressive 3 gallons and features a built-in tap for seamless dispensing. Its durable roto-molded construction and removable stainless steel insert keep your drinks refreshingly cool for hours. Not only does it function as a cooler, but it also doubles as a convenient drink dispenser, making it a versatile and stylish addition to your outdoor adventures. Say goodbye to heavy coolers and embrace the convenience and leak-resistant design of the BACKTAP. The GARRETT Wade Beautiful Brass Capsule multi-tools encompass both functionality and style for your everyday carry needs. Marrying vintage allure with contemporary utility, these carefully fashioned brass cases encase 5 convenient pocket tools, each meticulously crafted from assorted steels. Its ingenious design allows for easy tool selection and reassembly, making it a convenient companion for various tasks. Compact and lightweight, it effortlessly fits into pockets or purses, ensuring you are always prepared. Be it a personal indulgence or a thoughtful present, these multi-tools embody a harmonious synthesis of sophistication and practicality, poised to take on any obstacle. Thank you for tuning in. If you have any inquiries or require assistance, feel free to drop a comment or reach out. Goodbye.